May sugar-free din ako dyan, mama. Baka may magustuhan kayo. Hi, sir. Mochiban. Let me know, ma'am, anong preference nyo, ma'am? Like fruity ba, sour, bitter, or something sweet as well. Sa bilog, ma'am, ma-recommend ko yung coffee and blueberry. Ganito yung ano. If you want to touch it again, ma'am, pwede naman. Tignan mo after you press it, parang bumabalik na. Hi, man, 241. If ever maka 600 kay ma'am, may free cake pa po siya, ma'am. Ay, may cake ako na free, ma'am. Pag naka 600 kasi kayo. Pakita ko sa inyo, ma'am. Would you like to see it? Okay po, ma'am. No worries, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Have you seen it, ma'am? Instagram, ma'am. Instagram Reels or ano.
Tapos nag-check kayo.
Yes, ma'am. We do delivery din, ma'am. Taga saan po ba kayo, ma'am? Metro Manila or province? Anywhere in Metro Manila or outside province, pwede naman po, ma'am. Yes.
Ikaw yung owner?
Yes, ma'am. And then I post daily yan. Naka-post.
Sorry, 100.
No worries. You can also pay in GCash, Maya, Video BPI, and cashless basically. Then you can pay in card din po, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. We're done. Would you like to pay in card, ma'am?
Yung kasi yung wallet ko, lang yung withdraw ko.
No worries, ma'am.
Sige.
Para at
So,
least
pwede
may...
naman yung credit card yun?
Pwede po. At least may points ka pa, di ba?
Oo nga eh. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-withdraw. Kaya...
No worries, ma'am. We're living in a digital age naman na eh.
Sige.
Gusto mo dagdagan mo na rin, ma'am?
Kunin ko na lang yung 200. Siguro, yung sabi mo kanina?
Coffee, matcha, and blueberry. Yan. Yan, pili ka dun sa mga yan.
Blueberry ako tsaka coffee.
Bukod pa dito, ma'am.
Okay lang ba kung ipalit ko na lang?
Pwede rin naman if you want, 3 ko na lang bigay sa'yo, ma'am. Kahit pa lang, I mean 300, parang gano'n. Parang ibigay ko na lang sa'yo.
Yun na lang muna na 200.
Okay, no worries. Blueberry and coffee. Ay. Top niyo na lang dito, ma'am. Hi, sir. Much fun. Mag-iwan ako ng flyer dito, ma'am.
Yes, sige.
Saka meron din akong gloves, ma'am. Bigay ko na lang sa'yo.
Ay.
No worries, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. You can finish it. Sige, ma'am. Ayusin nyo man, ma'am. No worries. Thank you very much, ma'am.